Here is a full tour of my fully interactive walk-in vivarium plant room for butterflies. Let's dive in. This vivarium has every necessity a butterfly needs to survive, including host plants, light, food, and a climate-controlled atmosphere while being large enough to sit down in. These here are butterfly chrysalises. They are giant, tiger, and spicebush swallowtails. The light source for plants and butterflies are several grow lights. Grow lights provide multiple color temperatures for plant growth and blooming. I have 2 sets of dual head grow lights on clamps that light up the smaller plants and a set of quad head grow lights on a stand or tripod. My new grow lights have a color temperature of 4,000 to 6,000 Kelvin, which is perfect for plant growth, blooming, and butterfly activity. These are butterfly feeder sponges that retain sugar water and are super effective in butterfly exhibits for feeding the butterflies. These can be purchased at Magic Wings Butterfly Conservatory. I will also have fruits like pineapple and banana, which some butterflies prefer fruit juices for food. I have white jasmines, which are effective for feeding the butterflies. I modified the pot to hang them. Flowers are the primary food source for butterflies and are used by many people. This is a small Monstera houseplant. I like to use houseplants to provide humidity and shelter for the butterflies. Butterflies will hide under a plant leaf at nighttime. This is a palm plant I bought from Lowe's for less than $25. Bigger plants provide more humidity for the vivarium. I placed this giant rubber tree to make the room look more tropical and add humidity. Rubber trees are a tough plant and are hard to kill while cleaning the air. This is my giant alocasia plant underneath my hanging jasmines. Now let's get into the facts about this vivarium. Even though you can't walk in this vivarium, you can stand inside and sit down. This vivarium is built inside a closet, which is a dark room, but uses the power of grow lights to maintain the plants and butterflies. It also looks like a sci-fi growing capsule inside a space station, which is why I love this little plant room. This is the first seat, which is occupied by the hatchery cage. I keep the butterflies in the vivarium because it has high humidity and good temperature. This is the second seat to bring a friend or a lover. For ventilation, I use this Dyson fan. This is about it for a lovely tour of the vivarium. Stay tuned for the great memories we will make together.